Hello everyone, this is Rap UI. Rap UI is a UI components library that I made for your React Native projects. It has many styled components such as buttons, text input, picker, checkbox, and other components. This library is very useful if you want to create your app faster without considering the design of the component because Rap UI provides you a beautiful and modern design components. And now I'm going to show you how to implement Rap UI to your React Native projects. Uh, and we'll be creating a login screen using React Native Rap UI. Okay, this is the documentation website of Rap UI. You can see installation, components, and API reference from this website. Before I install the package, I init a React Native project using Expo, and I choose the blank template. After we initiate a project, we can install the package using npm. And yes, you can use this Rap UI outside of Expo. Just follow the instruction on the docs. After that, install these dependencies on your project. First, I want to make a folder called src and move the app.js to the home screen.js on the src folder. This library have a function to preload the assets that need on this UI components because this library use Ubuntu font and Expo vector icons. Just copy and paste the code from the docs and change this loading to null and import the home screen.js to this app.js and run the environment. This function can preload your image and your custom fonts. If you look in the documentation, there's an example for that. After we make sure it run on the simulator, we can start try to play around with Rap UI. Layout component it's like the background of your screen, so it should be the top component of the parent component of your screen, so it wrap around the top navigation, your content or other stuff. The top navigation component have props you can use implement to have an icon or image, the middle content, left content or right content, and it can be pressed if you pass the right action or left action or mid action, middle action. This section component is like a card. It can use to wrap your content to differentiate from your background. It has some default value like border radius and the background. You can customize with it too. The text prop is like your text component from React Native, but it has many props you can implement like sizes and font weight. The text input component it extends the React Native text input, but it's styled, so you don't need to style it anymore. You can have the icons if you want with left content or right content. It has some default value like border radius and border color and border width. You didn't need to implement those styles to your text input. Just import the text input to your projects. The button components have many various props you can use, like type. The type you can simply choose the behavior of your buttons. It has opacity, touchable opacity, touchable highlight, and touchable without feedback. You just assign that prop to type, and then you can have the color status and many other props you can use. I think this screen don't need top navigation. Picker component is basically a modal, but I wrap it to pack, pack this to a component model from React Native. You can see the documentation if you want to see the example of this implementation, the state, but it basically just like a picker component on React Native. find many more components in the docs. If you want to see the full documentation, visit the website. I put it on the description. There you have it. You can see I implement the RAP UI to my projects. If you find this useful, please start this RAP UI on GitHub and give this video a like, I think. Okay, thank you.